Hey guys, please subscribe this channel for A to Z information on yoga and press the bell icon for notifications.
So now please lie down on your stomach. Lie down on stomach. Both arms bring all the way forward. Noka Asana series. Stretch arms all the way forward. Stretch body. Keep up. Stretch arms. Now inhale, lift both arms and both legs up. Exhale down. In this weight loss series, we will not stay longer in each asana. Inhale, stretch both arms, both legs up. Exhale, super slow down. Inhale, up. Stretch arms, stretch like a bow, stretch body in opposite direction. Stretch. Exhale down. Inhale, stretch arms up, stretch body, very good. Exhale down. Inhale, stretch arms up, keep up, stretch body, stretch legs, stretch arms, very good. Exhale down. Here also I am giving the choice. If you can't lift both legs, both arms, so you can do one by one, like lifting right leg and left arm. Inhale up, exhale down, and then you can switch. Inhale up, exhale down.